Remember that when you're turning a mixed number into an improper fraction, that these are your steps. Your first step is to multiply the denominator by the whole number, then take that answer and add the numerator, and then keep the same denominator. So what that's going to look like is you are going to take the bottom number and you are going to multiply it by that whole number, and then you're going to add the numerator. Okay? So keep in mind that an improper fraction and a mixed number are the same thing, and that a improper fraction counts puzzles in terms of its pieces, whereas a mixed number counts puzzles in terms of wholes and pieces you have left over. Okay? So the reason we're going to multiply 3 by 8 is because we're trying to figure out how many pieces 8 puzzles makes. The puzzle only needs 3 pieces, and we have 8 whole puzzles. So how many pieces do we have with 8 whole puzzles? So we're going to do 8 times 3, which gives us 24. So in other words, 8 whole puzzles has 24 pieces. Okay? And then we are going to add these 2 pieces that we have left over, and that will give us the total amount of pieces that we have. 24 add 2 is 26. And then we just go ahead and keep the same denominator because the puzzle still needs 3 pieces. And that is how you change a mixed number to an improper fraction. Let's go ahead and try this one. So for this one, we're going to do 5 times 9. And the reason that we're doing 5 times 9 is because our puzzle needs 9 pieces. And so we need to figure out how many pieces are in 5 whole puzzles. Okay? So if our puzzle needs 9 pieces and we have 5 whole puzzles, we're going to multiply those and we get 45. We then have 4 pieces left over. So we're going to add the extra pieces that we have so we can find our total amount of pieces, which would give us 49 puzzle pieces in total, and the amount of puzzle pieces has not changed, is still 9. Now keep in mind that if you're wanting to change any fraction into a decimal, how you do that is by dividing. Okay? If we were wanting to change 2/3, put that numerator on the inside, and then you put the denominator on the outside. So again, numerator on the inside, denominator on the outside. Okay? And if you're trying to change a mixed number into a fraction, into a decimal, you do the exact same thing. Just take that fraction, turn it into a decimal, but then replace the 0 with the number that is in front of your decimal. So let's go ahead and practice this one. So 3 can go into 2 0 times, so now we're going to go ahead and add that decimal and turn this into a 20. 3 can go into 20 6 times, which gives us 18, and then we have 2 left over. Bring down another 0. 3 can go into 20 6 times, 18, then we'll have 2 left over. Notice that we have a pattern that we are going to keep getting 20, which means the answer to 2/3 as a decimal is 0.6 repeating. Now if I'm trying to change 8 and 2/3 into a decimal, we're going to replace this 0 with an 8. Now this is 8 and 2/3. Okay, good luck on these next couple problems.